I've been using the TradingView mobile app for a while now, and this is my honest and unbiased review. So let's dive in and see if it's the right fit for you. TradingView's mobile app offers a user-friendly interface, allowing traders to analyze markets, create watch lists, and set custom alerts. One of its standout features is the ability to access community-generated scripts and ideas, fostering a collaborative trading environment. However, some users have reported challenges with the mobile app's interface. For instance, discussions on Reddit highlight that recent updates have made the app less intuitive, with frequently used features now buried under multiple layers, leading to a more cumbersome user experience. In terms of performance, the app is generally stable and mirrors much of the functionality found on the desktop version. This consistency ensures that users can seamlessly transition between devices without missing essential features. Overall, the TradingView mobile app is a robust tool for traders seeking quick access to advanced charting and a vibrant trading community. However, the recent interface changes may require users to adapt to maintain their workflow efficiency. As always, do consider speaking with an expert before making any decisions. Well, that's all for this video. I hope you found this video helpful. And if you did, make sure you give this video a super thanks by clicking on this heart icon to help support the channel, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button. We'll see you in the next one.